All right, Dan and I are headed to the auction to pick up the McLaren. And they told us that they've been without power for 5 days, so we're not really sure what's going to happen yet. We'll see.
Hello.
So are you recording all of the nefarious activities?
It's a gamble right now.
We're going to go get that, and then Dan's going to go to EAG, and I'm going to go to San Antonio to meet up with the detail supply dude.
Oh, show what we just bought.
Oh, yeah, we just bought the Tesla too. It's a Model X 2022, pretty
it's like
awesome
3,900 miles, I think.
3,200 miles on it.
32.
Yeah, so that's going to be for sale soon. What's up, everybody? I'm on my way to San Antonio. Decided to take the new Tesla that we got. It's pretty awesome. I love driving it. It's actually driving itself right now on autopilot. So you can see. It's pretty sweet. I have my hand on the steering wheel though. But anyways, we're going down to San Antonio to meet up with Apex Auto Supplies, I believe it's called. They make like quick detailer and leather conditioner and a bunch of really cool products that we are going to start selling on our website. I'm going to go down there and check out the facility and work out a deal with them to get that stuff listed on our site so we can start selling it to customers. So it's going to be pretty cool. I'll do a little bit of filming there and show you how they make the chemicals and all that stuff. So it should be pretty cool. It's real similar to Chemical Guys, if you've ever heard of them, that sort of thing, but the quality is much better, and it's made in San Antonio here in Texas, so that should be pretty cool. Then I'm gonna head back up to Austin. Dan is at EAG finishing up the 599, and then we're showing the McLaren. So we're both pretty busy today. What's up, everybody? Just stopped to charge at the superchargers here in San Antonio because I was running out of juice. It charges, this newer ones charge really fast compared to the older ones. I just wanted to go on a quick rant about Tesla. I don't know why they get so much flack in the car guys world, I guess you'd call it. Pretty good chunk of car enthusiasts hate Teslas. I don't understand why. They're great daily driver cars. They're fast, they're comfortable, the autopilot is great, fit and finish is but you're not buying these cars to go to car shows and stuff. You're buying them to drive to work, drive to the grocery store, maybe take on a road trip if you're brave enough. But you know, all the stuff with Elon Musk, yeah, he's done some stupid stuff with Twitter and said some dumb things or whatever, but you got to give him credit. He's really brought Tesla a long way from the early days. So it's pretty impressive, and you know, for a daily driver, this is the perfect car. I wouldn't get anything else. I'm a believer in Tesla. I like them, but I don't think they deserve all the flack they've gotten, especially in the car enthusiast community. And like I said, you're not taking these to car shows or anything, so that's not what they're meant for. I'm going to finish charging, and then I'm going to head the rest of the way down to San Antonio, and we'll see you soon. Alright guys, made it to San Antonio. This is their place. It looks pretty cool. There's a Viper in there and some other cool cars, so we're going to go inside and see what's what. Here we go. Hey guys, I'm at Apex Auto Products, and this is John.
How you doing?
And we're going to take a look at the shop and see all the cool stuff they have and what they're doing here. So you want to give us a little quick tour?
Sure. So this is our full product offering here. So we have everything from a basic polish to your final protection products here, glass cleaners, interior cleaner, your tires, undercarriage, and then we bottle this stuff in pints, and we also do it in gallons and in 5 gallons, and if people are really aggressive, we have 55 gallons. So depends how much they're burning through. A lot of our customers are actual commercial detailers, so we do more volume-oriented stuff. On the retail side, this is what we have here, and all the associated towels and tools, we sell all that stuff as well.
Mm-hmm.
And so this is the front side of things. We can take you around back.
Yeah, we'll go check that out. We just got polish and waterless wash and quick detailer and shampoo and glass cleaner, pretty much everything you could ever need.
Yeah, so come on back. Let me show you around. You can discriminate against the Viper? Come on now.
Sorry. There's a nice little Viper there. Look at that. Look at that guy.
So this is pretty much where we do our order fulfillment on this side of the business. We got another section of warehouse over there where we do a lot of the downfill. And then this is our pick bins right here. So when orders come in, we pull the ticket and we pull the product from these bins here. We have some back stock behind that. And then this is some of our stuff that's going out commercially, some of the larger scale stuff.
So how many bottles can one of these do?
This drum right here will do 440 pint bottles.
Wow.
Or 11 5-gallon head packs. Okay, so we can do it just like this as well. And then if you have a nice dolly like this, you don't break your back and risk having a hernia, which asks me I'm going to get scanned in a week. I think I have another one because I've been lifting heavy stuff. But so we have everything from all the foam applicators, every size you could, you know, small, these really big ones here, and all the different stuff.
Cool.
And then the little stuff to apply ceramic coating and
Got a bunch of
buku
towels and everything.
Yeah, buku towels here. Everybody is fickle. They have their own color classification, the way they do their detailing strategy. Some guys, we have drying towels in purple and black and gray.
Yep.
And some guys want black just for wheels and door jambs, and some guys they only want like red for their paint. They want gray for interior, and you know.
Yeah.
So we kind of carry everything on those. And these are all Korean towels.
Cool.
And high quality. They're 70-30 blend. And then over here we've got, this is some more product.
All
we
the
do
labels?
Yeah, and the samples.
Sample bottles.
These go out to car shows, so these guys want sponsors, so we'll bottle up whatever we need for them for their swag bags, and these go out to those guys.
Mm-hmm.
And this is where it all starts. So basically you have our labels, and this is what fits over there in the label machine. And these are Mylar waterproof labels, which is kind of good when you're dealing with car care products. You don't have the label falling off.
Yep.
So they're really nice labels. So we start with that. And then the actual bottles. So you notice some of our product is changing right now. We actually have this bullet bottle, which we aren't really a fan of. It's very thin and weak, and being PET, it tends to crack when people drop it. So we have upgraded over the last year to these PVC, a lot heavier bottle. And it's also easier to label in the label machine. I'll show you that in a second. So we do the downfill in this first, and then it goes into the labeling. These are our little 3-ounce little bottles here.
Mm-hmm.
Pretty neat. But once we do it, then we come over, we fill it, then we go over to this machine right here, and you slide this in, and actually
he's going to let
do
me
a label.
what do we have here? Some ceramic coating?
Yeah. So you want to do it?
Yeah.
Here, I'll hold the camera.
and
Okay.
Tell me what to do.
All right. So grab one of these blanks, those blank bottles.
Okay.
Slide it butt in till it contacts that little rail
All right.
right there. Now hit the button.
You hold it down or just press
Push it one time.
That easy.
What do you think?
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, mindless. So you
Yeah, I would hate to do thousands of these little bottles.
Well, that's why we have the coolers out there full of beer. So we do recruit friends to come help us out. Honestly,
it's a lot of work. You gotta fill these little bottles and then label each one.
Yeah, each one. Yeah, you have to slide in. You get pretty good. So what we do is we bring a bigger cart in here, and it has these huge Rubbermaid bins, and they're just thrown in there because once you're filling them, you're throwing them in, right?
Yeah.
And then you get them in that cart, you slide them in, do it, then you transfer them into a box or whatever, so you only have to handle them one time messy. But yeah, and this thing's geared up so it runs our bigger bottles as well, it does the pints as well. But it's fun, but you can look down, an hour later you got 200, 300 done. You know, it depends on how much you're enjoying the beverage.
So anyways, the reason I came over here is because we're actually going to start selling this product, and it's going to be the official detail sponsor of the Howard.
All right, that's great.
So anyways, yeah,
looking forward
wanted
to
to show you guys kind of what we're going to be doing, and we'll start using this stuff on cars that we have for sale and showing you in the videos and whatnot. So,
and all this stuff is made here in America. So
perfect.
Even our containers, these are all coming from American manufacturers. So
very cool.
Makes it really nice.
Yeah.
You know, labels, everything is done here stateside. So
cool. Anything else you want everybody to know about the product?
Well, it works, and it's heavily concentrated. It's pro-grade stuff. So if you're tired of messing around with watered-down products, give us a try.
How does it compare to like chemical guys?
The loading concentration is going to be about 35% higher.
Okay.
So if you look at a lot of the products, for instance, anything that sits for a while, you know, a couple days or weeks, you actually can see the silica settling out in here. See this white film?
Yep.
That is actually the silane in there. You can look at it right there.
Oh,
see?
yeah.
And so you just give it a shake. So we're running real high on our loading, and even like this is our demo bottle here. You can actually see where the polymers actually bond to the bottle as it mixes with oxygen.
This stuff is awesome. I've used this. I've got a bottle at home, and it's awesome.
So it'll actually, wherever it meets oxygen in the bottle, it'll start to leave a film in there, and that's because the actual polymers are binding, which is what it's supposed to do. You know, protect your paint.
Yeah.
Right.
Good deal.
So
cool.
we'll get it, and then every so often we're changing stuff up. So the quick detailer, we will change the color and fragrance every so often. We actually did this for a friend of ours, Snakeskin Green Viper. I know you're a Ferrari guy,
Oh, yeah.
but yeah, we did that for him.
Well, this
And,
looks like Rosso Corsa right here.
yeah.
So we got that covered.
Yeah, and this is actually McLaren. This is
Oh,
McLaren
McLaren
orange.
orange.
Yeah,
There you
we
go.
looked at the Pantone scale. We checked the colors off of Pantone. So when
Nice, that's
we,
awesome.
We batched it. That was McLaren orange. You know, so we were playing with it. You know, we like the. I always like the look of coolant, so I did this so it looks like ethylene glycol, the
There you
old
go.
school coolant. You know,
Nice.
always playing with fun. Then the newer coolants. You know, you got the newer blue coolant. So I
Yeah.
was like, yeah, I really want it to look like coolant. And this is the newer stuff. The HOAT stuff. Yeah, you can see the difference. See, here's our bullet bottle, and here's our newer bottle.
Yeah.
So yeah, this thing will take a lot more of a beating than the PETs.
Yep.
So pretty good stuff.
Cool. Well, thanks for showing us around.
Yeah. Okay. Glad you stopped by.
Thanks.